Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Gautam and today we have the amazing W212 Facelift. Now this car was in production between 2013 and 2017, but this particular car was just bought before the new E Class launch, which was the W213. Now today I'm going to do a full walk around, show you the exterior and the interiors of this car, and then we'll go for a drive. So stick around and I hope you enjoy this video. And of course, if you do enjoy it, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you. So this is the W212 Facelift E Class. This particular car is the E200 petrol, which is a 4-cylinder and produces 184 bhp. Now, when you look at the front of the car, immediately you can tell the difference. This car has one-piece headlights as compared to the earlier version and full LED headlamps. The front grille is much more aggressive and sportier with the large Mercedes-Benz badge in the front as compared to the earlier version where it was a little one on top. When we move to the side of the car, this facelift has 17-inch alloys and the side profile looks much more elegant with these added crease lines here. Now when we move to the back of the car, also the tail lights have been redesigned completely and there are full LED tail lights now. Boot is the same, so this boot lid is a common part, but the rest of the car is completely redesigned, which is why they must have spent 1 billion euros on this facelift itself, which is one of the most expensive facelifts in the automotive history. The boot is large at 540 liters. It's extremely spacious. Some storage space here as well, which is the wheel. Jumping into the car, the interiors immediately give an extremely luxurious feeling. I love that the steering wheel is finished in brown, which matches perfectly with the rest of the wooden finished interiors. The seats are comfortable as well. The dash has been given a modern yet classic look, especially due to the clock in the center and the fact that the AC vents are finished in metal. There's more than enough storage space in the cabin. And guys, if you've not subscribed yet to the channel, please do consider subscribing to the channel if you enjoyed this video. And also, please smash that like button. The seat setting buttons are also finished in metal. An added feature is the interior lighting, which runs through the side doors and the entire dash. The dash does feel quite cluttered because of the numerous buttons in the center and can get confusing for some people. Also, having the parking brake on the foot is something which takes time to get used to. But overall, very less use of plastic gives a premium feeling inside the car. Moving on to the back of the car, it is quite spacious and comfortable for the passengers. A great feature is a separate climate zone for the back of the car. Now it's time that we go for a drive. So guys, welcome to the inside of the car. Now we're going to go for a short drive. I love this feature where the steering wheel comes down. It's called easy entry and exit. So now we start the car. You can see that the inside of the car is pretty much similar to the earlier version, which is the W212 between 2010 and 2013. And you can see the video through the link up on the right. So now I'm going to start driving. Parking brake released. Let's go. So considering the amount of money Mercedes-Benz spent on this facelift, they've changed a lot of the car. They've changed the suspension, they've refined the engine. This is the E200, so it's a 2-liter petrol 4-cylinder producing 184 bhp, and it's really powerful. This car is much more comfortable compared to the earlier one. Car corners well also. The earlier car felt like it had a lot of body roll and it was a little jiggly, but this one is stiffer and comfortable as well. One thing I don't like is the gearbox, the transmission in this car. It's a little slow, especially when you kick down. So if I accelerate suddenly, it takes a few seconds for it to realize and then gear down. And the same happens when you use the paddle shifters as well. So now if I switch to paddle shifters, so it shows manual, and I press it and it takes a few seconds to change the gear. So now I'm driving in eco mode. It's comfortable, it's subtle, but as soon as you shift it into sport, you just have to press this button and you can immediately feel the difference in the throttle response. It gets more sensitive, and of course the gears change at a higher RPM as well. The ride has definitely improved as compared to the earlier version of this E Class. It's much smoother, it's much more comfortable. So guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. In conclusion, I think this car, they spent a lot of money on facelifting this car. They've completely redesigned the exteriors and the design is much more elegant now. It drives very well. The suspension has improved a lot. Of course, the gearbox has minor issues, which I already mentioned. But other than that, this car is amazing. And I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please do like and subscribe to the channel if you did. See you in the next one.